So what is Pinterest and how does it work? What are the pins and boards onto the Pinterest, and can you use the Pinterest to drive the traffic onto your website or a blog? Can you use it for the affiliate marketing? Use it for your business? So Pinterest is a visual search engine where people come to get an inspiration or ideas in their particular niche. And they also do share the ideas in the form of pins onto their account. So it is a social media app where you can share the images as well as the short videos, but both are recommended in the vertical format. People come here, they search for an idea, they get an inspiration, and then they create their own ideas and share it onto the Pinterest in their own account. Creating a Pinterest account is extremely easy. You can do it with your email address. You can do it with Facebook or Google account. So once you create your account, you will reach here onto the Pinterest website where it will initially ask you for your interests, and after you select your interest, it will give you the pin ideas. Now, what are the pins onto the Pinterest? Pins are basically these images that you see onto the website. Let me click onto one of them. As you can see that the pin or this image is in a vertical format. The ideal size for a pin that is recommended by the Pinterest is 1000 by 1500 pixels. However, you can upload the other sizes also, but if you want to get more visibility, then it is highly recommended to upload a vertical image, because Pinterest is primarily optimized for the mobile version. Here you can see the different pins that I have already created, and here there are some of the pins that I have stored from the other people to get an inspiration in future. Now, what are the boards onto the Pinterest? These are boards are like the playlist in the YouTube or the folders in your desktop or Windows, where you store the similar kind of files in that folder or a playlist. Just like that, the boards are kind of a folder in which you store the similar kind of pins onto your Pinterest account. Now, how do you create a pin or a board? For that, you have to go and click on this create button, and you will get three options: create pin idea, or you can go live. In case you want to create a pin, just click onto the create pin. Here you need to upload an image, browse an image from your desktop, and once you upload an image, here it will ask you for the ratio of the image that you want to keep. That you can see here, they say that we recommend 2.3 aspect ratio for most pin of the Pinterest. So we will select that and we will do update changes. After that, you can add a title to this pin. So I have given a title to this pin. So here you can explain what your pin is about. You can give a detailed description, but I am just adding the same title over here. And at the end here, you can add a link. After adding the link, you can from here select the where you want to save this pin. You will see your existing boards here. However, if you want to create a new board, you can click this create board. Here you can give the name to the new board. You can also keep your board secret, where it will be a private, only you would be able to see, but since the aim is to share the ideas, so we will keep it public and click create. And now our board has been created. The last step that we have to do is that we have to just press the publish button and our pin will be created. Now our pin is ready. Since the Pinterest gives you an opportunity to add a link, which means that with the help of the Pinterest pins, you can drive the traffic to your website or to your blog. So in other words, you can also use the Pinterest for your business. They also offer a business account. You can convert your existing account into business account. And once you have converted that account into business account, you will have the access to analytics where you can find out the performance of your pins, that how much traction they are getting onto the Pinterest. I can go on to the analytics and I can click on to the overview. So the benefit of business account is that it can give me the summary of how my pins are performing. So during the last 30 days, my pins have got around 2500 impressions. The engagement was 70, total audience is 2.1 thousand, and the engaged audience was 6. Here I can see the graph, and then I can see that the pins that are performing well will be shown on the top, and similarly I can go on and see. If I want to filter out, I have these options towards the left side. I can see which audience is interacting more with my pins. If I click on to the audience insight, so in the audience insight, I can see that what is the gender ratio, what is the age group which is seeing my videos, and then what are the locations. I can see the countries from where I'm getting the most views, and similarly the devices. So the insight is quite in depth. On the top I can see the categories, and within the categories I can see the subcategories are the area of interest of my audience. You can search for anything onto the Pinterest, like I have searched for the recipe for dinner, and you can see that I have been presented with visually appealing thumbnails which are called pins. I can click on any one of them, and when I will click on this, it will take me to this blog article. So what do people do? They create a blog, they write an article, and then they create a pin, and then they link that article to that pin to get an organic traffic from the Pinterest, which means that the Pinterest can be used for business. It can generate traffic to your website. You can also use it for the affiliate marketing. You can write a review onto your blog, or you can create a review video onto the YouTube, and then you can create a pin and link that article or a YouTube video to that pin. And you can add the affiliate link within those article or YouTube descriptions. It is not recommended that you add a direct affiliate link onto the pin, although it is not against the Pinterest guidelines. You can read onto the affiliate guidelines that are given onto the Pinterest help page. However, it is always recommended that you add a landing page or a bridge page in between your pin and your affiliate link. So Pinterest is a visual search engine for the audience to get inspired, get ideas, and for the creators to share their ideas. It can be used to drive a traffic onto your website, to your blog, to your YouTube channel. It can also be used for a business. You can use it for the affiliate marketing also, and the possibilities are endless. So if there is anything which I have missed regarding the Pinterest, you can add in the comment section below for the benefits of the audience. So if this video was helpful to you, do give it a like and consider subscribing.